Playlists. What are they, for a start? Well, that's an easy one, hopefully. Why are they there? Are they needed? Should you use them? How do you use them?
Okay.
Wow, just a few bits there.
Playlists is a good way for you to collect all videos based on a certain topic. Okay. The reason why this is helpful is that 50 to 75% of all people that come to your channel will not watch all of your videos. There are some zealots that will watch everything and scrutinize every fine detail of whether you've got a scratch on your forehead or whether you've got gray hairs, right? Those people exist, right? But the idea of a playlist will help you funnel people into an area that they want. So in my YouTube channel in itself, I teach you how to start a YouTube channel, how to grow a YouTube channel, how to use specific features, right? How to make money off of that process in itself, and other tools and functionality that you may want to do it. That's 4 or 5 areas of my channel. Now, if I mash that all into one playlist, it's a bit confusing. But I only want videos about money, Alan. That's the wrong finger. I only want videos about money. I only want to learn how to the business of YouTube. Okay. So if you place it in a playlist, they don't have to scroll through 50 videos to find the 3 videos that are relevant to them. So the playlist will also, playlists help accentuate the power of that content. So if I had to flick through 5 videos before I watch the business one, another 5 videos before I watch the business one, right, that might turn my brain off and I might not watch all of it, which then harms not only click-through rate, but retention rate and watch time. But if there's a playlist that I know that I'm going to listen to, I'm a huge Gary Vaynerchuk fan. It's only taken me 58 minutes to mention him on a live stream. That's a record for me, right? But what I do is I drop off my 4-year-old at her school. I'll turn on motivational Gary Vaynerchuk stuff, which is 6, 7, 8 minutes long, right? And it will autoplay that playlist, and then I just listen to those. That helps me because I continue to get my positive reinforcement over and over again, and I'm not having to flick through those videos. Now I can drill into that specific niche and whatever I want. So they help, and they can help your retention and your watch time rate, because that way you're funneling people into where they want to be, and because they're now there, they will stay there comfortably and then continue to consume your content. They're more likely to watch the next and the next and the next, because it's all in their relevant niche, rather than having to, oh, that one's done, I'll just scroll, where was it, click. So it makes it less friction, more helpful.